Hello, I'm Chloe. I'm a doll artist running my own art doll studio, Chloe Creations in Korea. I'm back with new video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a sanding process for making porcelain rabbit figurine named Celine the Artistic Rabbit. This stage is for having shiny surface of prototypes right before making plaster molds with them. It is important but also very boring because it takes much time. All you need to do this is strength and concentration. With sand sponges, gently and carefully rubbing all the doll parts is all you have to do. But as always, I know it's easier said than done. It actually took me several days to get it done and finally have shiny surface of prototypes. As I told you in previous vlog, this rabbit figurine is named Celine the Artistic Rabbit. And this figurine is all about showing people how fashion-craving, artistic rabbit girl dresses herself everyday life. This time I made 3 concepts of Celine. Well, let me tell you a little bit about each concept. The first is named Girlish. Wearing vintage chiffon shirt-pleated dress, check-printed coat, sneakers from Converse, and holding signature little sea bag from fashion brand Chloe. Actually, this concept was originally designed for my 40 cm tall ball-jointed porcelain ladies. But I decided to give rabbit figurine a try first. The second concept is named Coco's Rabbit, wearing full setup skirt suit and holding clutch from Chanel. I definitely got inspired by Coco Chanel to design this. The third is wearing khaki costume and holding her favorite Chloe's mini sea bag. I designed and made this for Valentine's and White Day present. This girl doesn't have her name yet, so I need to rack my brain to come up with some good ideas to name this. Every version of Rabbit Celine can stand with magnets under her feet on her signature giant macaron-shaped figurine stand. She has ball joint on her head, so you can move her head easily when posing her. Every doll is designed and made in limited edition with its own special story or concept. I want her to be displayed on people's desks or makeup tables and be their lovely friends. By the way, working on this project, I've been thinking about how I can make this rabbit known to collectors. And opening a YouTube channel was one of the ideas that I came up with. Talking about other ideas, opening my own shop on Etsy would be a great choice too. I'm planning to do this right after finishing this rabbit figurine project. As you know, Etsy is the biggest online marketplace only for handcrafted works around the world. And hopefully, this would help my porcelain ladies meet as many collectors as possible in the near future. And I also think putting this rabbit figurine project on online exhibition and sale would be great, especially through Chinese or Taiwanese agencies on Instagram. Well, this kind of thought has been turning around my head while working on rabbit project. I need to try any possible way to make things happen. Well, I know it's out of the blue. I finally watched world-class award-winning movie Minari. As my great expectation, it was a great movie. While watching the movie, I recalled my childhood memories with my parents. Those memories were sweet but sometimes bitter. Now that I realize my parents were very young at that time because they were in my age. Everything in Minari, filming, directing, original soundtrack, and most of all, actings of all the cast were magnificent. The best part was that the director did not glorify his childhood while filming his autobiographical movie. I want to visit theater to watch this movie again with my parents. If you don't hate quiet and calm movies, I highly recommend watching the movie Minari. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time.